Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Office 2013 edition and your Windows business so you apply the correct method. Once done, make sure you have an administrator account and back up any unsaved files. Now open Control Panel or Settings and go to Programs and Features. This is where you'll stop updates or uninstall components. Don't skip confirming edition and admin rights because the wrong path can leave Office in an unstable state. Next, you disable the automatic update mechanisms that force Office patches. First, open any Office 2013 app, go to File Account Update Options, and select Disable Updates. This stops Office-initiated checks. Then, open Windows Update Settings and change to Manual or Pause Updates so the system won't reapply Office patches. If Office updates persist, stop the Windows Update service temporarily. Be careful and note the change so you can re-enable updates later. Finally, you restart your computer to ensure all settings take effect and watch for any automatic Office installs over 1 or 2 reboots. If updates reappear, check scheduled tasks and group policy for override settings and remove or change entries that re-enable updates. Make sure to run Office Repair from Programs and Features if Office shows errors after stopping updates. If something goes wrong, re-enable updates temporarily and install the latest cumulative update, then reapply the disable steps after confirming stability.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.